So I'm currently at the MWC and I'm visiting the Ulefone booth, and they actually brought a new brand called the Rugone. And the cool thing is, they introduced the new Ulefone, which is obviously, you know, the branded one. So it's called the Rugone, and the full version of this phone, it's called an XSnap 7 Pro. And the cool thing about this phone is this. Do you know why? Because it is obviously, you know, a working camera, right? So it is obviously a working camera. Like, you can see it does work currently in night mode. So you can see actually many things. So obviously the normal video, night vision, and you can have also things like, you know, photo and stuff like that. But that is not main thing of this phone, because main thing of this phone is that it has the detachable action cameras. So the main thing, it is detachable, and you can just, you know, mount it on you and just have a phone just run and going around. You can just mount it on something like, you know, your head, your helmet. Like, it's literally having a detachable action camera always with you. And I think, you know, Ulefone with their new brand Rugone is just going into that modularity. And I think that's just something which is, you know, making the experience extremely cool. So, what do you think? Nice one? Like, look at the hole, right? You can definitely see how big of that action camera is. Nice one, right? So if you like it, you know what to do. Just go to Night Vision and check me out. I'm kidding, but if you like it, just like and subscribe and tell me what you think in the comments. Take care.
MadTechTalk, tech so fly, breaking down gear, let's amplify. Sub like, don't miss a thing. Tech reviews with a little bling. We out for now, but stay tuned. More fire tech is dropping soon.